Welcome to this fraction quiz, where you will be tested on how to identify and write a fraction. You will be given 15 questions from easy to hard, and we'll see a set of blocks. The total number of blocks will represent the denominator, and the number of colored blocks will represent the numerator. So, the answer to this is 2/4 or 2/4. Great! Feel free to pause at any time and let's get started. Did you get it? 2/3 or 2/3. Bingo! 3/4 or 3/4. Correct. 3/5 or 3/5. You got it. 2/6. Amazing. 6/7. Great job. Now let's make this a little more challenging, shall we? Let's go. Did I trick you? It's 3/5. Very good. It's 3/10. You nailed it. It's 5/14. Perfect. It's 7/10. Sweet. You're totally getting this. It's 5/10. You're doing great. Hang in there. Only 5 more to go. The answer is 4/10. You're a fraction genius. Correctamundo. It's 6/13. Right again. It's 9/15. That's right. It's 17/20. Last one. Nice. Give yourself a high five. It's 6/24. That's it. How'd you do? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quizzes. Thanks for watching.